No, I do beaches on those.
We have birch coasters too.
Okay, now I need 4 of those little thingies over there. Although, you know, technically...
Yeah, just use the paper cups.
Yeah.
They should be, yeah.
I see Jeff and Erica do that all the time. I will probably edit it out and shorten it to different things.
You think too much gold?
No, that's beautiful. That's really pretty.
I like it.
Thanks. I'm gonna go set it outside out in the garage.
Okay, I will open the door for you.
Oh, it's really dripping.
It's really dripping.
Ooh, I like that purple. Wow.
I know it. Purple just.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, ma'am. These are so light.
Woohoo!
I bought a can of that. Didn't work because the tip I bought was for propane. Yeah.
Check out my cells, Doris.
Ooh. Look at those.
Wow. Did the TNT.
See, now why can't I get something like that? Wow, that's crazy. Did you do a swipe or
I
what?
did a TNT.
Oh, Tilton. Torch.
An ATD.
TNT. But I'll say that 3 times fast. So
I'm going to show you.
here's how I did it.
I'm going to show you the DFD T&B, which is torch and blow. No, I'm serious. I'm going to show you that.
It just sounds funny.
I kind of figured you would say that.
Oopsie.
I knocked the heat gun over.
Okay, what is going on with why this
So
one?
what I did is I went like this, and I heated the front, and then I tilted it, and I went. And then I
Why is this one sitting crooked? There we go. Does anybody need any more resin?
No, I have
Okay,
a good amount left.
okay. Let's see, my 8 ounces, I still got quite a bit here.
I made 10, so I've got plenty.
I did 8. I'm good. I just don't have any clear left, and I really don't need any.
Oh, okay. Oh, look at those.
God, I got enough to do a whole other piece. I do. I have enough resin to do a whole other piece. I use those wraparounds. Can you grab me
Let me get the goop off my hands
gloves? That's what I need. And an extra pair of gloves.
No point in giving you gloves that are pre-gooped.
Oh, doggy hair.
Yeah, you gotta watch out for
Lots
that.
and lots. Thank you. I love these gloves. These are my
I
favorites.
haven't tried them yet, so I just had them sitting there actually. And then I was going, reorganizing and going through all my stuff. I'm like, oh my goodness, look at all the gloves I have.
That is so pretty.
Now we gotta add the brown. Look at the cells coming up here. Oh,
Look at that.
they're like multicolored.
Uh-oh. Got doggy hair.
Okay.
If you come over here and see it, you can see it in the light. See it right there?
Yep.
Darcy.
A Darcy hair.
Darcy hairs. Man, right in my design too. Did I get it? I did. Oh, this is funny, guys.
This is fun. I could sit here and do this all day. I would have a blast.
If it wasn't for my back being so goofed up, I could sit here and do that all day too.
See, I'll divide it up, and I might take the volume out from after I had been we were explaining what we were doing on our pieces.
Sure, you can just mix it up, whatever.
Yeah, so that
Yeah.
they don't have to listen to our
Our
conversation.
cackle fest.
Okay.
A friend of mine up north,
Okay.
he always says that.
Okay. This part I'm gonna leave. So, you're crooked right here.
Yeah, I haven't even heated them up yet or anything. I'm just kidding.
Okay. I am gonna talk during this because I want people. This is gonna be one section all by itself. This is something I thought of the other day. Okay. I'm doing a puddle pour. Okay. I'm putting the darkest color down first.
Sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
I ran into the torch. Like, no, I didn't want to stop there.
Okay, I'm putting the darkest color down first in a puddle. That's all I'm doing is a puddle.
I think I saw you do this on your channel. You did this before on your channel. didn't
Not the torch and blow.
you? Torch and blow.
Yep. You blow it with the torch and then you blow it with your mouth. Kind of looks like a Dutch pour.
Well, that's what I was thinking was to try. I was going to try that. Was
You almost need a blow dryer. You need something that really pushes the air out because this stuff is so thick compared to... Because even when you do an acrylic pour, that paint's got to be just thin enough. If it's too thin, it breaks up and doesn't cover right.
Mm-hmm.
But when you do with resin,
I had a lot
it's
of.
got to be pretty warm to the point where it's almost going to freeze up on
I've
you.
had a lot of luck into.
Okay, see what I did?
Dutch
Okay, I
pour
did a big
resin.
puddle of the darkest color. I need to use your thingy. Okay, I did a thing of the darkest color, a puddle. Then I put a little bit of the gold in the middle of it. Then I kind of drizzled the white over it. Now, here is the torch and blow. Right in the middle. Get it really super.
Oh, but it's super hot.
Doris is a blowhard.
Blow me down. Let's see.
I like it.
That's
It
pretty.
is pretty.
That butterscotch just makes it pop.
The
Okay.
white is kind of disappearing, but that's
Do you have
okay.
any extra 007?
I have a.
I just want a teeny tiny line of gold. I want to just put through the copper or bronze. What is that? Copper?
Okay.
I think it's bronze.
See, this is what I'm doing. I got the puddle, the two puddles, and I just drizzle the white. Okay. you go over it to where it's very liquidy. And you be careful when the hot resin comes over the edge onto your hand.
And it starts to melt your glove. Burns your fingers.
Okay.
And if you get some color that you don't like in one direction, you can still do your
This is
torch and
white,
tilt.
you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this one's got a lean to it. Oh, you know what? I did level it out too, but
I love this interference. It's pretty.
that stuff is just. I love that pearlescent look. Yeah, those are pretty. Just the way they are. You're gorgeous, just the way you are, don't you?
So this is the DFD Torch and Blow TNB. Straight on with the fire. And then you can do a little bit of the torch and
I
tilt.
think I'm done.
You need
Well-
your torch.
Huh?
I said I think I'm done.
That looks pretty. Oh, I love that lacing you got. And that was the Lorez, right?
Mm-hmm. Over the BlackCurrant and the ATD Fireball. And the what is this? Artisue Electric Blue. Awesome. That's really pretty. Okay. I'm just gonna put it in the picture that.
Okay.
So the feeling it's gonna
One
set
more.
it down and it's gonna all go off one side.
And it's dripping too. And you're crooked. Doris catching it on fire over
Doris is gonna faint over
No, I'm not.
there. We had that issue when my daughter was having her first child. Son-in-law and I were helping her count when she was pushing, and we were holding our breath.
Oh, when she's having a baby?
Yeah, and the
I
nurse
do
goes,
that. I
the nurse
do
goes, you two better start breathing or you're going to end up on the floor. I'm like, oh.
I've done that. Like, I watch these shows on TV where someone's having a baby and they're counting and stuff, and I find myself sitting on my couch holding my breath.
Uh-huh. Hey everybody, I'm recording now for a little snippet on my channel.
There you go.
Say hello, ladies.
Hi. I'm moving my coasters to somewhat level.
Doris's beautiful posters. And here's Karen's working on her beautiful. God, that is such a pretty color combination.
That pomegranate.
Uh-huh. And here's my
I will
piece.
tell you one thing, Karen. Okay, and I told them just that on my video last night. Too much heat and your cells break down.
Yeah.
I'm just telling you. I'm not trying to tell you what to do.
No, it's easy.
This
Okay.
mine is the
This is-
TNT. No, ATD TNT.
This
Yeah.
is down to
The
the end of the
ATDs,
lifetime, so-
you did the torch and tilt. I did the torch and blow on mine, which will be on my channel.
And I'm
I'm
just like,
cleaning this off for you as best I can. Let me wipe
Good
off
thing
that.
we're not drinking.
Let me wipe that off now. I'm sorry. Well, it didn't do that much damage.
No,
It's on the edge.
it'll be
Okay,
fine.
now.
I'm
Let me just put it right here in the
gonna
middle.
grab another umbrella and move my piece out to the garage.
Okay.
I got a whole stack of umbrellas.
Yeah, I'm using a little bit of heat on these simply because this is pretty much towards the end of this work time. And it's pretty thick. So
Okay, hang on a second. Hang on.
Those are beautiful. I love those colors.
I love that teal. Okay. I think I can get out there by myself.
Yeah, you just need to bump the handle with your behind.
Yep.
Put some sticks under that side. So, all right. Excuse me, darlings. I'm all to the races. Hopefully, I won't drip all over my house, but that's okay. We don't care. We
because
need.
I was wiping as I was walking so that I made sure that I wasn't dripping anywhere.
Oh, you should see the huge
That is so gorgeous,
the
God.
huge
Yep, dog hair.
the huge schmuck of acrylic I have on my carpet in my bedroom. One of my paintings, I don't know how it got off kilter, but I normally, I pretty much babysit everything, kind of keep an eye, and I checked on it 4 or 5 times. I went back in there 2 hours later, and there was a puddle this big.
Oh, God.
I was like, shit. Oh, well. It's old carpeting. Everything is. I'll explain to you when I come back. Yes, sir. Huh? I'd rather they didn't.
That one's got a few little cells to it. That one's got some cells to it.